Hey everyone, welcome to Artland. For today's fun Valentine's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Valentine's gnome. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope you can follow along with us. Now to begin with our gnome, we're going to start with the nose. So right here we want to kind of make like a fat little oval shape. To do this, find the middle of your paper and make a small little fat oval right in the middle. Now, starting up here, right on the side of the nose, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out, and it's going to come down like this. Then I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve out, but this time I'm going to bring it in and go out just a bit. And then I'll connect them. That way we give his beard just a little bit of like a curl at the end. Now, starting here, we're going to make the hat. To do this, we're going to draw a line that's just going to come up, and then it's going to come down like this. And then over here on this side, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curl up. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and then up a little bit. Then I'm going to make this come to a point. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come right back up to the hat. On the end here, we're just going to add a small circle shape. Now, underneath here, we want to make his body. So to do this, we're going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then up. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. I'm going to come over with a curve and then just go straight up. Our next step is to make the feet. You want to start right here, draw a little line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to come back up like this. We want to do the same thing here. Make a nice little line that curls down and bring it right back up to here for his little feet. Over here, we want to make the arms. So to draw the arms, I'm going to start right here. We're just going to make a little line that goes out, and it's going to curl back like this. And then same thing over here, just a little line that goes out, and then it's going to curl back. I'm also going to draw a little line that comes down on each side, just to show where his sleeves are. I'm going to have him holding a little balloon. So to do this, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to curl around and just add a little spiral at the end. Starting right here, we want to make a little square shape at the very top of that string. And then to make the balloon, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come out. It's going to curl up and down. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to curl out and go right down here to make that little balloon shape. Now, on the hat of our little gnome here, we want to draw some little hearts. So to do this, we're just going to draw a few little heart shapes all along here. And you can kind of put these wherever you want to on your gnome. You can make some of them a little bigger, some of them a little bit smaller. But you just want to go ahead and fill up the whole hat with some little heart shapes. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a couple little lines on his beard. So starting here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to curl here. And then I'll add another little line that curls here for his beard. And I'm going to add one more right here in the middle. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Valentine's Day gnome. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.